morning, Crafty Peeps. I'm excited to share with you my newest design team project from Country Craft Creations. This is for our Craftology box. Now, I want to let you know that I used both the Craftology box and the add-on kit to make this little suitcase. And the paper collection that we used was Graphic 45 Sunkissed, and I love, love, love this. Okay, so let me show you my little suitcase. So this is the top here. All these, the handle is made out of paper. The straps are made out of paper. And of course, these little end pieces are made out of paper. So let's kind of go into some of the things that I used real quick. I used a circle die. I used this little wooden anchor from Saw Crafters, which, as you all know, if you do follow Saw Crafters, you know she's no longer in business. I'm just trying to use up all my little extra tidbits. So anyway, these little belt buckles right here are from Tim Holtz, and you can find those at any local craft store. And of course, a starfish, you all are familiar with that. If you've been watching my Facebook live shows, I bought this tiny little die set, and they had starfish on it. So cute, so cute. Anyway, so this background paper right here is the wood connections from Authentique, and then of course I covered it with the Sunkissed paper. I think it turned out super adorbs. These two little brads right here are from a Christmas collection from Tamara's store that was by Cartabella. So really super cute. I just happened to like that emerald green color, and I thought it really worked well with the sea theme. This is one of the little tags from the paper collection that I just cut out and backed up with some linen cardstock from Tamara's store. The base of the box is all cardstock, and I didn't purchase that, excuse me. Tamara sent it to me from her store. And that is her artisan linen cardstock. And this was the, I would say like white vanilla color, whatever you want to call it. Here is the back. Okay. And it just opens up like this. This is magnetic. Oh, and this is one thing I definitely wanted to let you know. In the tutorial, I use small magnets. Do not do that. Use the large magnets from Tamara's store. They are basic gray. You will need 2, 4, 6. In the tutorial, I only used 1, 2, 3, 4. You will need more than that. Okay, once I started layering on the paper and this was getting bigger and thicker, I realized quickly that if you use small magnets, they will not align properly, and that's why you need a large magnet to give it that give. Okay, so if you have a little bit of give, it's still going to latch on. If you have a tiny magnet, it's going to miss the spot, okay, where the other magnet is and not connect. So let's open it up. I made this little accordion pocket. Hold on, sorry. Let me get in screen there. Okay, this is a Tim Holtz little doorknob. And again, this is the same paper. This was actually leftover, so I decided to turn it into a little, I don't know what you want to call it, like leather latch, but it's not like real leather. It's like faux leather. And then right here are some of the little coda parts from the 8x8 paper pad, You and Me by the Sea, and Sunkissed. Again, this is a little accordion. And just slide that back in there. Okay. So, and then here we get to the part of the album that it just expands out. I decided to leave this normal. In fact, let me zoom out a little bit so I don't have to keep going back and forth. Okay, there we go. So that way, you know, you could easily fold it and still just slide this on. You wouldn't have any difficulty doing all these little snaps and whatever. Then the accordion album right here holds 24 photos. Now, you probably could add a couple more of these, which actually this is one sheet of paper cut in half to 6 inches and then scored at 6, okay? But the thing is that, no, maybe this was 5. Hold on. Yes. Sorry, it was cut at 5 inches and scored at 6. Okay, so 5 inches, this is 12. Okay, hopefully I'm making any sense. Anyway, when you see the tutorial, you'll know what I'm talking about. And then I had some hinges that I added on here. So anyway, I think it's super cute. I used the 8x8 paper pad. I used some of the 12x12. I also added in my own kind of matching cardstock you can get from Tamara store or any local craft store if you want to. The wood connections, which is like this one right here. And again, like I said, the top orange piece. Those are really cute to use as well. So anywho, I just wanted to show you this. I think it turned out super adorable. I love every bit of this album and the paper. Not really my, I love my album, but I mean, I just love the paper is what I'm trying to say. Who knows what kind of planet I'm on today. Of course, if you know me, you know I'm like this all the time. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a wonderful and fabulous day. And this tutorial will be coming out either by today or tomorrow, okay? I may have to split the tutorial up. I'm going to try not to because, you know, it's just easier to do it all in one. But anyway, I hope you all like it. Have a wonderful and fabulous week, guys. Bye.